Hey everyone! Want to transform your child's mindless screen time into a literal space mission? Welcome to this explainer. Since you're watching us here on the STEM Hub channel, you already know we're absolutely passionate about finding the best educational tools out there. And today, well, we have something truly stellar to share with you. So, let's just put it out there. Are you totally tired of mindless screen time? Yeah, it's the modern digital dilemma for parents everywhere, right? But what if, instead of just swiping through endless cartoon loops, your kids could actually be programming the path of a Mars rover? Or, I don't know, building a rocket ship? Well, we're about to solve that exact digital dilemma with a platform that does just that. Okay, we're just going to drop the ultimate solution right up front for you. Check out this link. http://nasa.gov/specials/kids club/games/clubhouse. Seriously, prepare to make this your new favorite bookmark. This is the gateway to the NASA Kids Club, and it's basically going to completely change how your kids interact with technology at home. Section 1. NASA's Safe STEM Playground, a parent-approved digital sandbox. So the crucial point here is that this isn't just a distraction, It's a rigorously designed educational tool. First and foremost, and parents, you'll love this, it operates in a 100% ad-free environment. Literally, a completely safe space for independent play without you having to stress over rogue pop-ups. But what really sets it apart is the academic rigor. These games are aligned with next-generation science standards. They meet Common Core state standards for math and English, and they reinforce vital technology skills. Basically, every single click and drag builds a foundational STEM skill. Section 2. Learning by grade level. From kindergarten to 4th grade. Now, what's really fascinating about this platform is how the challenges actually evolve right alongside your young explorer. In kindergarten, the games focus heavily on pattern recognition and sorting. Then, moving into 1st and 2nd grades, the challenges scale up. We're talking addition fluency and basic earth science. And by the time they hit 3rd and 4th grade, they are tackling complex logic puzzles and learning about vast space systems. It's a really brilliant progression. Just look at how smoothly the kindergarten pattern recognition transitions into 1st grade engineering. In the Grade K game, What Comes Next, kids are recognizing and extending patterns using space-related objects, which builds those core math attributes. But then, right next to it in the Grade 1 game, Rocket Builder, they have to identify specific sequences to construct an entire fleet of rockets. They're literally developing early engineering design concepts without even realizing it. And as they progress to 2nd grade, math and earth science gets so cleverly gamified. Take Addition Blast-Off. Kids group numbers to solve addition problems, and getting it right successfully launches a rocket. Or in Starfall, capturing same-colored stars teaches them that the universe is just vast, with stars varying wildly in brightness and color. And my personal favorite, Window to Earth, gives them a satellite view where they learn to spot the physical differences between, say, a volcano and a lake right from orbit. Section 3. Real Missions, Real Science, Bridging Gameplay and Real-World STEM. As your kids reach the upper elementary levels, the training wheels officially come off, and the gameplay connects directly to actual ongoing NASA missions. The breadth of problem-solving here is just incredible. For example, in the 4th grade game, Jumbled Jets, students use strict logic and reasoning to figure out the correct arrangement of airplanes on a busy runway. Now contrast that with Explore Mars, where kids are literally operating a virtual Perseverance rover inside the Jezero crater. Yes, the exact spot the real rover landed back in 2021. Now, the mechanics of this Explore Mars game, which, by the way, runs right in your browser, go way beyond a mindless driving game. It's a true programming simulator. Step 1 is target selection, where you choose a specific Martian rock to investigate. Step 2 is command sequencing. So instead of direct steering with a joystick, players have to program a sequence of commands to navigate the terrain. And step 3 is analysis. Get this. If they forget to program the analyze command at the very end of their sequence, they don't get the data. They have to plan perfectly to earn points and send data back to Earth. And as they drive across the red planet, they actually aren't alone. Kids will notice the Mars helicopter joining them on their journey. This solar-powered experimental aircraft reflects the real-life companion to the Perseverance rover. I mean, we're talking about the experiment that literally became the first aircraft to fly on another planet, and it's right there in the game for your kids to interact with. Okay, so this next part illustrates our absolute favorite feature of the entire platform, perfectly bridging the gap between digital play and real-world STEM careers. The encouraging voice guiding your child through the Explore Mars game, It isn't an actor. It's actually Charlene Pfeiffer, a real systems engineer who works on the actual Mars 2020 mission. How cool is that? Your kids are being actively mentored by a real-life NASA and JPL engineer. Section 4. Start exploring today. Launch your child's STEM journey. All right, to all our STEM Hub parents out there, I want you to pause this explainer right now. Take out your phone and screenshot the screen. Grab this exact link. https://www.nasa.gov/specials/kids club/games/clubhouse. Keep it handy because this is truly the ultimate launchpad for your child's journey into science, technology, engineering, and math. So, we'll leave you with this thought. Will your child be the one to discover the next great breakthrough in space exploration? Maybe they'll be the one to analyze the data that proves life existed on Mars, or even design the next generation of spacecraft. Because inspiring tomorrow's explorers really starts with giving them the right tools today. Thank you so much for joining us for this explainer, and we will definitely see you on the next mission.